Hello guys, welcome back to my another video of Linux tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to use Nano Editor in Linux. Nano Editor in Linux is by default coming in Linux distribution and all distribution. You have to just type nano and press enter. You will see that GNU Nano 4.93 is open here, Nano Editor. So I will write something here. At very bottom you can see that menu option is given here. It is giving that how to use Nano Editor. So I will show you one by one how to use this option. So I had written something in that here Nano Editor, and now I am going to save this. To save this, just press Ctrl O, and here asking that file name to write. I am going to write file.txt and just press enter. This will be written in the file.txt. So I will just, to exit from this Nano Editor you have to press Ctrl X. See here at bottom it is showing that to exit press Ctrl X. I am going to press Ctrl X. It will exit from that Nano Editor. So press ls to see all the file. It is showing here file.txt. Now I am going to read that file, what is in that. See here I will something it is written what I have written in that file and save. So it is showing here. To use nano with file you can also type nano file.txt, specify the file name at the time of opening the Nano Editor. Just press file.txt and press enter. You will see that what is the data in that file, it is showing here. And now if you want to edit that file, just edit that. Edit that file and just press Ctrl O to save that file. See here now it is not showing it is showing in that file.txt you want to write in file.txt. Just press enter. It will write in that file. It is also here showing 2 lines is written in that file. So now I am going to show you help option. To get help from in Nano Editor, just press Ctrl G. It will show you help menu. See here, scroll down and up, you will see delete the character to the left of the cursor, all the help from that. To exit from this, press Q button to exit. Now I am exit from the help menu. Now I am going to show you search option. To search anything in that file, press Ctrl W. Now it will prompt you to what word or what sentence you want to search. Now I am going to type something. I want to search word in that file where is written something, and just press enter. See here cursor is moved to that place where something is written. It is moved before word, it is blinking. So Ctrl W is option to search the word or sentence. So to replace any word or sentence you have to press Ctrl and the slash. I am going to press this. See here it is asking what you want to search. First you have to search that word what you want to replace with that. I am going to search some things. Press enter. It is asking at what word you want to replace. At the place of something, what word you want to give. I am going to press nothings. Press enter. See here it is asking replace this instance. I will press yes. It is replaced with that something's word. Here see this nothings came. Firstly before that it is here at this place there is somethings. Now I have replaced with nothings. So replace option is over. Now I am going to show you how to cut the text. See my cursor is at the first line. Now I am going to cut this whole line. To cut this, press Ctrl K. I press Ctrl K. See first line is removed from here. So control K option is used to cut the text. Now I am going to show you how to paste that text which you have cut previous. Now I am going to paste that. To paste that text, press Ctrl U. See here what I had done before cut. I had done the cut. Now I am done Ctrl U to paste that line. See here that line is came again. So now I am going to show you justified. It is justify the current paragraph. See here I am going to write one more line. See here I had written one more line. It is splitted in 3 lines. Now I want to do, I want all these 3 lines in one paragraph. Then I will press Ctrl J. Now I am going to press Ctrl J. See here all 3 lines is which is splitted before. Now it is one paragraph. So to make paragraph you have to press Ctrl J. Now I am going to show you current position. Let me write something more. Now if you want to see where is my cursor, then you have to press Ctrl C. Now I am going to press Ctrl C. See here it is showing at line number 4. See here 1 2 3 4. Here cursor is blinking, so it is showing at line number 4 your cursor is, and what row and column it is. So it is showing. If you want to see cursor position, then press Ctrl C. Now I am going to show you, if you want to go to any particular line, then you have to press Ctrl and underscore. Press Ctrl underscore. See here it is asking enter line number. At what line number you want to move. I am going to press 1. Press enter. So it, see here my cursor is moved to the first line. I press 1. Then it moved to the first line. See here blinking at the first line. So now I am going to show you undo. If you have done anything mistake or you want to undo that things, then press Ctrl Shift Ctrl M U. At once press Ctrl M U. See here I had cut this line at the first before, then I had done undo, then it came with that line. So that much for today guys. Now I will show you at last one time more how to exit from this nano editor. Press Ctrl X and see here prompting that you want to save that things which you have edited or not. If you don't want to save that thing, then press N option no, or press Y. I am going to press Y. Press enter. See here I will do cat file.txt. All the things are edited and save into that file. So that much for today guys. I hope you like this video. So any things you don't clear in this video, you can ask in comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.